Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Skya Whispers. It's nice to have you all here again. I hope you're doing wonderful. So today we have a little PlayStation themed unpackaging, mystery unpackaging for some of the PlayStation game figurines. So I thought we would open them together. Hopefully it gives you some tingles and allows you to relax. And hopefully we get some good characters today. So we have a couple of PS5s in our house. And I'll be honest, I do not get to play as often as I would like to. But my husband is an avid gamer. So we're pretty excited to see what's in the bags today. I hope you enjoy, and let's go ahead and get into it. So on the package, it shows you the different characters that you can get. And there's a couple of mystery characters as well. So we have Astrobot, Alloy from Horizon. We have Hatsu from Ghost. We have Joel from The Last of Us. We have Ellie from The Last of Us. We have Abby from The Last of Us. We have Kratos from God of War, who is our theme for the day. We have our Kratos mat, our God of War mat, and our little Kratos figurine. So, needless to say, we're pretty hopeful to get the Kratos today. It's my husband's favorite video game. There's Sly Cooper. There's Jack and Dexter. There's Sweet Tooth from Twisted Metal, which is a neat one. And then there's Exclusive A and Exclusive B, the mystery ones. Let's go ahead and cut into it and see what's in our first bag. Out of these selections, what's your favorite one? Which one would you be hopeful to get? Maybe we'll end up with that one. All right. So it looks like we have I can't tell. Oh, it looks like this is, wait. Let's see which one it is. I should have worn my glasses today. because honestly, I don't know. I am not sure who this is. He's got a little bow and arrow. He's got blue eyes and some brown hair, and maybe it is a character from God of War. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. It doesn't say who it is. So please let me know if anybody knows who this is. Alright, so far, I cannot tell if this is a win or not a win because I am unfamiliar with who it is, but let's go ahead and open the next one. Set him off to the side. I personally like The Last of Us, the game, and the show, so I would be pretty excited to get Joel or Ellie or Abby. And then I think Astrobot is cool as well. But to stay on par with our theme today, we definitely want to get Kratos. I was thinking the side might be a little quieter, but now I'm second guessing myself. I hope you all are having a good weekend. I'm having so many difficulties today. Alright, let's pull this right out and see what we got. Oh, I see a ponytail. So, we have Angry Abby from The Last of Us. I'm excited about this one. Although, I will say, if I just saw this hanging off of somebody's bag, you know, or on their keys, like I wouldn't just right off the bat know that this was Abby. But I'm probably the worst person when it comes to, like, you know, truly knowing the characters of movies or games. She's got her little hammer. I like the ponytail in the back. She's a grumpy little thing, isn't she? She's got the frown, or the grimace. Alright. Let's set her to the side over here with our unnamed person here. Alright, we've got one more. I think I shared on our last video that I did go to the store and bought a bunch of different random bags of various themes, because I thought it'd be fun to open them together with you. So I'll be putting out some new videos this week of other random themes. For instance, the next one that I have will be characters from Toy Story. So I'm excited for that one. I have some of those little minis collections that are in the little balls that come, the little egg-looking ball things that you open up. So I'm going to record those as well and put them out. So we'll have a nice little collection of minifigurines. I have a daughter of a friend of ours who has requested some cat-specific themed items. So I'm going to be on the lookout for some cat collectives or cat collections that we can do together as well, just for her. Alright, last one. Let's see. Fingers crossed we have a Kratos sighting in here. Okay. Hey, we're on par here. We've got at least a little theme going on. We've got Ellie from Last of Us. Yay. I like her. Her eyes are so pretty on this one, like the light blue. She's got her little weapon here and her little tattooed arm. Interesting. She got her backpack and her little half ponytail. Alright. So, what does this mean? This means that I'll probably have to buy some more. I'll have to buy some more PlayStation ones until we get Kratos. So, maybe that's a good thing. If you enjoyed the video, we'll do another one. Another little haul and see what we get. So I brought over, my husband let me borrow the little Kratos plushie that he has as part of his collection from PlayStation. He has a little Velcro piece over here with his axe. I say axe, but I'm sure it has a proper term that I don't know what it is. And then I have my PlayStation controller, which is probably collecting dust at this point because my PS5 gets very neglected these days. I do like to play games with my husband, like 2-player games. So if you know of any good 2-player games, please let me know in the comment section. Maybe it'll give me an excuse to play again. I do like the tapping sounds of the game. There's a couple of ASM artists that I follow that do a little bit of gameplay. Sophie's Planet, for instance, she plays on her systems, and it's relaxing just to hear her rambling as she's going through the different levels. And just the clicking from the controllers is relaxing to me. So this is a little bit of a shorter video today, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you got some relaxation time. If you enjoyed, please make sure you like, and as always, if you're interested in joining a new channel and would like to to subscribe.